Yeah, we have a small one-set hut that we've been using for a museum for about 11 years, I believe it is. And this is going to take over. It's going to hold probably 10 or 15 times more than our other museum is. We have a lot of material and storage just waiting to go in. And once it's occupied, I think the public's going to love it.
Well, we've been working for a number of years to get this new building up. We went through a major fundraising drive, and over the years we raised about $80,000. We got a $25,000 grant, which allowed us to purchase the building and also to put in the foundation. The last piece was the door.
Where do I begin? We have some rooms to put in. We have knee walls to put in. We have the lighting in. We still have heat to go in, insulation to go in, and all our equipment to go in.
Well, we had put the building up in the fall, and there was no door there. That was not part of the purchase of the building. So we had to get something up before winter. And we had to get something up that would allow us to heat the building and operate it as a museum. And yet we needed a large bay to bring in large equipment, trucks, forklifts, bulldozers, the display items. We needed an insulated door. We wanted a roll-up door. And they're really very, very difficult to find. And the cost was getting quite high. We don't get federal money. We don't get state money. This is all private money. We were getting quite frustrated. We weren't really finding anybody who could supply the kind of door we needed.
We reached out to McKean Door, it's one of our partners that we deal with, and we told them about the situation here, and they didn't hesitate for a second and donated the door.
We knew what the opening was going to be, and they took it right from there, and they did everything for us.
They found the door, they sourced the door, they talked to the manufacturer, and finding that insulated door was key. That was what we really needed.
It was really important that Specified Building Products had the relationship it did with the McKean Door, as they were able to convince them to be part of the team here at the Seabees Museum and donate the actual door.
You know, you're asking them for a lot of money and a lot of their time, but there was no question. They stepped right up, they volunteered.
The original door that was specified was a sectional door, and what we changed it to is an insulated rolling steel door. One of the major differences is that the rolling steel door is all self-contained, where the sectional door has overhead track that goes back. And with it going back and above, it would take away from the beauty of the museum. McKean has become relied upon within the industry for security needs, fire needs, and also have the design capabilities so architects and end users can have wide span openings.
The McKean Door offered all of the key factors that were required. The feature of the roll-up, and then the insulation, and all of the safety features needed to protect us and the public here at the museum.
It is safer. The other part that we ended up looking at is that they did not have photo eyes or a safety edge specified. Reviewing the plans and specifications, and also because it's going to be a public building, we recommended that we would put a safety edge and photo eyes for the safety of the guests that are coming in.
Without Specified Building Products' expertise and recommendation, along with a relationship with McKean Door, we would not have been able to get our project done.
Initially, we were honored to be part of the Seabees Museum, and as we worked with the Seabees, it became apparent that our own can-do mission was a big part of the project. Our mission really tied to our core culture based on honesty, urgency, generosity, and safety. And looking at the honesty piece, we could not work with more honest folks. These are folks that have provided significant contributions to our country in the past as well as the present. And then looking at urgency, we knew that snow was coming to Quonset, Rhode Island, so we needed to seal up that opening. And then the generosity piece, we've got 40 years of generosity within our company. This was really a no-brainer when the Seabees asked us to contribute. And then the safety component. This is a public building with thousands of folks coming in and out of it, and we were able to add many components that enabled us to make this a safer environment. Jim and I would like to thank the Seabees team, and we really could not have done this without McKean Door. And also, Jim and I would like to thank our employees for helping make this happen.
It would have cost us time and money to do what they did for us, and we appreciate it. I thank them